just while I'm here quickly, and I've got the right size spanners. As I said earlier, no electrics. I'm going to take these off. I like the prairie look, like the US style look, where they didn't have lights here, they had lights in the wings on the side, but because this isn't going on the road, I'll worry about that later today, but I'm going to take these off now and just, I don't know, I just prefer that look than the European style. I'm going to look at me out, but we're looking under the dashboard here, and I'm just trying to plan out the electrics. I've got I bought some new cabling, new fuse box, some relays, all that kind of stuff. But this existing cabling, I kind of want just out. Now, other than the only thing that's left on the tractor that's anything remotely to do with electrics are the indicators and the brake lights. So I'm sure I could come up with something else for that. What I might do is just completely remove all the cabling, because it's all a bit of a mess and mangled anyway, and there's like a wasp's nest in that one, like a hornet's nest or something, I don't know. So just get rid of it completely. I can't even think of what all these fuses would be linked up to. I can't find a manual online, so if I just get rid of it, put my own electrics in, my own fuse box, I'll start from scratch, label everything up as I go. I've got a label maker so I can put in proper labels. Then I think I'll be better off, if I'm being perfectly honest. Although, looking at that fuse box, there's more slots than what I've got on mine. I bought a 6-slot one, which I wasn't anticipating to have many electrical parts on here. But if that's well, I can't, but I can't see it properly, but that looks like it's got more on it. So, I don't know. Do we just reuse that one? It's got spades on. Yeah, I don't know. The other one's kitted out to have like one main live wire, like one chunky wire that can come from the battery, or from the starter, come up from the battery up to the fuse box, and the fuse box splits it out into its different auxiliaries. Whereas this is like single in, single out, which is a bit more messy. I think that's why it's messier. I think I'm going to use mine. It's only 6 fuses, but I've got only a couple of things to use it on. Yeah, I'll get rid of this cabling. This might look drastic, and that's because it is. I'm having all these cables out, so you can see what I mean about the amount of cables in this wiring room. Now, half of them are disconnected, and I ain't ever going to find where they're supposed to go. So they're all coming off. And just being replaced with just what they need. Well, just what the tractor needs to be functional with its few electronic bits. All labelled up, all neatly routed through where I want it to be. And none of this where there's a lot of tape and other things on it. Now, if this was a restoration job, you'd probably be trying to go out and find yourself a new wiring loom. This isn't a restoration job. This is just this is a custom job. This tractor's just going to be what I want it to be, and that's it. But yeah, I'm going to keep pulling. If you're watching this video and you're one of them people who's like, no, you need all that, you're welcome to come and get it. It's yours, free of charge. There you go. Getting rid of all this, and honestly, it looks so nice. Put that down there for now. Look at it. Look at that little snot of a mess of wires. It looks so nice behind the dashboard now, and like in front of the dashboard. Hang on, let me just flip the camera. In there is all cable free, and I think I showed you before, but in there is all cable free, and under there is all cable free, and it's just mechanical bits now. So I am going to be adding some wires back in, but yeah, it just looks great. No wires. Oh, breathe. Actually breathe in there. Brilliant.
those switches. I wish that light would just bloody stay. I hate it so much. Right. Yeah, just a couple more things down here, but I'll get in and clean all this dust out, clean it all up before I start putting my own stuff in here. And then, look at this, got all this free space to work on. Lovely. Before, I don't know if I got a picture before, if I did then you've seen it, but before it was just matted with cables and wires and all sorts. None of that. Obviously a lot of the things on the dashboard aren't going to work as expected, but I don't think they're going to anyway, especially with the swapped engine. So stuff can be brought back to life as I need it and as I see fit. You can see the mechanism there, I think, revolved out from, as previously mentioned, in the throttle. That's the hand throttle and the foot throttle. Works quite well now. Got this little hand steam cleaner, which is a bit naff, but in the instance where I just want to get in and clean all the grime out of this dash area, it's actually pretty good. It's slow and steady. It's only a cheap one, I think it's only like £10. So not the best, but it does get the grime off all the nooks and crannies. Before I start putting all the electrical stuff back in. So here's the plan. I've got my own new fuse box that I'm going to put in there. That's the live feed from the battery, and then off of all of these I'll have all the independent different things that run off it. Now I've only got 6 ports, but like I said in previous stuff, I'm not actually going to have that many electrical items, so I guess if I need more, I don't know, I'll get a different one. But for now, 6 is all I need. Really, 3 is all I need at the minute. And I've got these switches as well, which I'm going to use to isolate the pump, etc. And I've got some relays as well. So I'm going to wire it all in right now and show you what it looks like afterwards.